my video, or welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a cooking video, and today I'm doing this video with Lakia. And in this video I will be cooking something nice, something real good. Surprise! So everybody's been requesting me to cook on camera, and I don't like to cook on camera because I like to do little special stuff to my food. But today I'm gonna do something simple, and it's gonna be our dinner. I don't know. By the title, you already know what we cooking. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, guys. So I got all my stuff prepped up. I preheated the oven, and the eye I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna use this to fry in. This is a hot plate. I already got the grease in it. I'm just gonna preheat it. I haven't got my seasons down yet, but I'm gonna do that right now. So today we're gonna use seasoned salt, a dab of little lemon pepper, some Creole, some garlic powder. So I'm gonna close that. And then, like I said, I'm gonna preheat this to warm. I'm gonna wash it. So I know everybody like, okay, what is she cooking? Today I'm cooking some fried hot Cheeto chicken breast, and I'm going to make some rotel macaroni, homemade rotel macaroni. And I bought all my food, so you know. And I forgot to get the salt down. I only use kosher salt. You know, it's expensive, but I use it. So we're gonna get started. First, I'm gonna clean my sink out, because this is how I marinate and season my chicken. So I'm gonna open this chicken. You always gotta clean your chicken off. Always. Yeah, you supposed to be at the knee. You always gotta clean your chicken off. So we're gonna take this. You sit it in some hot water. Well, first. Let's rinse this. Put some elbow macaroni in it. Because you always gotta wash your macaroni out before you cook. Yeah, and I'm only cooking this today because it's gonna last a couple days, you know. It's gonna last for today and tomorrow, so I don't have to cook tomorrow. So you always wash your macaroni, y'all. Okay, so now that we clean this out, we're gonna throw some kosher salt on this and let the water run so we can put it in here. Shake it up. Oven preheated at 325. One thing for sure, two things for certain. You want to make sure that your chicken is unthawed, because it's gonna take longer to cook. But again, I got lemon pepper, Creole, garlic powder, and I got some seasoning salt. I think I want to use, I need the rotel down for the macaroni. So I got to make sure that for your rotel macaroni, I'm putting sausages in mine. Can back it. I know I'm too close to the camera. In my rotel macaroni, I'm putting sausages in mine, so I'm gonna chop these up and fry them in butter. So I'm gonna leave that right there. So I'm gonna finish getting everything else prepped up, season my chicken, and get my eggs cracked and my flour set aside, and crunch up my chips and stuff. And I'll be back with you guys when we're done. So guys, I done prepped everything. Right now I'm beating my egg, and yes, I did take the chicken out of it, as you guys see. I seasoned my meat. You come over here. And instead of Creole, I use chili powder and paprika. So we got the chips, the flour, and the eggs, and the chicken is seasoned. Ask me why my chicken is in the sink, because I'm a country girl. I'm from the South, and you put your food in the sink and season it real good. That's how you get the good marination. Are you ready? Got it. How the hell do chicken breasts have bones?
I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna cook this at 3. Well, we're gonna let it keep heating up at 350 because I hear the grease popping. I hear you talking. All right. Yo, we got our chips. Come on, kid, you gotta do this. We got our chips. We still got some chunks in there. No, we can keep this way. It probably tastes crunchier with some chunks in there. You know what I'm saying? At least it's more
Dusty.
powdery, you know. Okay, that's the chips. You gonna show them what you got?
Eggs and flour.
She got eggs and she got some all-purpose flour. Y'all, I'm from the South. I like to use self-rising flour, but this on the flour they sell in Missouri.
Yeah, you gotta get the chicken out this. You want me to take down the strainer?
Not yet. So we're gonna go ahead. I don't think you can see us. Stand over there. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water off the macaroni. Boom. Put that in there. The water off of these. Y'all, I always eyeball my menus. I'm gonna spray this with olive oil so my cheese can't stick to the pan when I start, you know. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. Let this sit right there. Top on this. Let that sit. I'm gonna take the macaroni and let these marinate in butter. Hold up, I gotta get my pot. Oh yeah, this smells so good. For them to be dry macaroni. It's just wet macaroni in the pot. We got our butter. Let this marinate in here. So I'm gonna do the first piece of meat, then Kid gonna do the rest of it. So first, I take the meat and I put it in the eggs, and then I'm gonna dip it in the flour. Then I'm gonna put it back in the eggs. Then I'm gonna put it back in the flour. It look real sloppy when you do it, but trust me, it'll be worth it. All right, now we got that on there. Kind of shake it off a little bit. And then you put it in the chips.
That sounds crunchy. I could hear it over here. Ooh, let's do an ASMR next time.
I don't have a mic for that.
I do.
I'm dropping chips, y'all, so don't mind me. Maybe I should have went on and went with my first name. Put the chips in here. I guess it's just gonna be partially chips on there. Cause I did say this my first time making hot Cheeto covered food. Huh?
Soggy, slappy.
Y'all, it smells good though.
It feels so good.
Smells spicy.
It's making me
Already? Okay, I think I should put the chips in the pan thingy. And then, you know what I'm saying? put the chips in here and then batter it like that. Because I know eventually I'm going to have to put more chips on here. So, after putting this first piece in the grease, I'm going to hit y'all back when we done with everything. Well, basically, when I put this first piece in, I'm finna start on my macaroni and Kia gonna finish the chicken. Y'all, I be teaching her how to cook over here.
I come cook breakfast.
So I be teaching her, trying to teach her how to cook. All right, this is gonna pop. If I run, don't laugh.
It ain't gonna pop now.
Cause I turned it down. Well, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the
Okay. Now that I did that, give me a second to clean my hands, and I will be back.
Let's swap.
So, now that y'all see she put her first piece in, we're gonna take y'all to the macaroni. I got the butter all wet up.
Get my fingers now.
Up in a
It's chunky.
I got macaroni y'all buttered up. So what I'm gonna do is put the Rotel in here first. I got me some original Rotel. You only need 1 can unless you're cooking more than this. It smells so good. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks too. Yep, I'm using cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. So I'm gonna push that back. Y'all, before I even put this in the oven, I gotta do my sausages. You know why? Because I freaking forgot to put them on. So while the Rotel cooking up in the macaroni, oh, let's turn this over.
Oh, that. My fingers getting chunky.
Some of the hot Cheetos look like they fell off the chicken, but it'll do. So I'm gonna move this right quick. Put that right there.
Okay, well, my fingers.
As y'all can see, I be free balling off of my little space. So I'm gonna open the sausages. Can I get my cutting board, please? I'm gonna open the sausages and cut these in pieces. If I can open it. I got a knife in my hand. Why didn't I cut it? Kia says she's on to the last chicken. Go ahead and cook. I ain't got to wait on the butter to get. Okay. We got the sausages on. We can put this in the sink since the chicken's gone. When you finish, can you trash this?
Okay,
Alright.
I'm done. I gotta go clean my hands off.
While this cooking, I need olive oil. If I can find it. Okay. You can sprinkle a little olive oil on here.
Oh, snap.
Let them cook. Should I season it? I might put a little oregano and garlic powder on it. Give it a little flavor, you know. Okay, this is what the macaroni look like with the roast tail in it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. So like I said, we're gonna do these in layers. Then I gonna take the sausages long to cook. So we can actually go ahead and put some macaroni in the bottom of the pan. No, nothing's burnt, honey. This is how you cook the sausages. If you don't got a little crisp on it, they ain't done. So I'm gonna layer it. So I'm gonna put the sausages, spread them out. Spread it out. Put some cheese on this. We're gonna take the mozzarella cheese. Spread it all over it. You can apply as much cheese as you want. Alright, we got that part done. Now we gotta put cheddar cheese. You're gonna apply as much cheddar cheese as you want.
Okay.
Okay, and then you put, I'm gonna put the rest of it in here. So I'm gonna put the rest of it in here though, because we ain't gonna need too many layers. So, go ahead. It smells so good. Alright, we can leave this stuff macaroni in the pot. Top it off with cheddar cheese too. So we're gonna leave it in there. The chicken is gonna be done. So we're gonna put mozzarella on top. Ooh. So y'all, how it look before we go in there? Boom. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna put a picture to the side. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the oven. Let that cook until I feel like the cheese melty enough. So now we can actually take some of this chicken out. Ooh, I want to eat. But we'll get back to y'all when the chicken is done. Boom. Yeah, it looks so good. Where's the man? Ooh. Look at it. Ooh, it looks so good. See y'all when the food is done. Well, guys, we are done, and we got the food, as you seen in the last two clips. And now we're gonna taste this. Oh my god! Oh, look at that cheese. I think I'm trying macaroni first too. Yeah, if I could do this every day, I would. Alright, I'm about to try this chicken. Ooh, it's hot. The chicken. It's crunchy. What you think? Yeah, tell the people how you think it feel. If how you think it tastes.
Good.
It's good. Would you rate it 1 out of 10?
11.
Damn. Get you some. If the camera see you take them bites, girl. Dear God. That was so good. I'm like, okay. Oh, jeez.
That was good.
You gotta tell me to the camera. They don't believe it.
Oh.
They don't believe it.
They didn't see it. Yeah.
Huh? You don't gotta show that. Y'all, for dessert, Kia is eating cinnamon roll because I ain't eating that in my mouth. Gonna be hurting. I feel like cinnamon rolls are too sweet right now and I just pulled a tooth. Come on, let's end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me, what do y'all think I should cook next? Like, I'm up for it, you know? I'm gonna start doing these challenging videos and stuff. And I might start cooking my dinner and putting it on YouTube too. But we don't know. We don't know. Depending on how that goes. How was it? It was good. Breathtaking? Yeah. Well, I see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your girl up in her DMs and let me know what videos y'all think I should do next. Whether it's to collab with somebody, cook, prank, challenge, anything. Just let me know. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here somewhere or right there somewhere, wherever is on the screen. Don't forget. See you guys.